Here we are at Bullard's today. I've been chasing these 2007 Tahoes for a no start condition, and people say they'll start here, they won't start there, they get weird lights in the dash flickering and stuff like that. Well, we pulled out the power distribution box from underneath the hood, had to take it apart to find it, but guess what we found? There's why your GM vehicles aren't starting. You see that melted, destroyed mess? This vehicle damn near caught fire because of it. Chevrolet's not going to redesign it. They don't really care, but you can buy the same fuse box that'll burn up again and reinstall in the customer's vehicles. But as you can tell from right there, this thing is burnt to a crisp. It finally wouldn't start at all. So anyhow, there's your problem. Power distribution box under the hood. They're about $300 from the dealer, but they're not redesigned. They will do the same exact thing. So anyhow, there's your no start problem on your 2007 Tahoes. Bye.